You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is k equals 36/49. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all k terms on the left side of the equation. Add 12k to both sides. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the k. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 4/49. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is k equals 36/49.